that you turn off this particular setting that I'm about to show you, just so you can safeguard your channel, you can protect your monetization status, and even your sanity. Because imagine going through all the stress of filming, editing, posting the data you bought, okay, garnering for views, you're looking for subscribers, and then having to wait till you hit that 4,000 monetization, the public watch hours. And within a twinkling of an eye, someone somewhere causes your channel to be deleted or at best demonetized. Imagine the kind of emotions you go through. I have gone through that because it happened to me. You realize these websites that promise people, clicks for money, watching YouTube videos for money, subscribing for money. Yes, these shady websites, they are as dangerous as they can be. And they are causing a lot of channels to be demonetized and at worst be deleted from YouTube. And I do not want you to go through the same kind of pain that I went through, because one video of mine went super viral, not knowing that these people have sent the links to these shady websites and they were causing harm to the channel, driving in invalid traffic, invalid click that rendered my channel being demonetized. As I speak to you, a channel of over 8,000 subscribers is demonetized and I can't do anything about it. I do not want that same thing to befall you. That is why this video is made specifically for you. Now, if you are meeting me for the first time, I am the Virtual Giant, and on this channel, I share with you my experiences and my strategies that you can use to grow your channel, like I am doing with mine and I've done with other channels of mine. So make sure you like this video, make sure you subscribe, share your comments with me, your experiences concerning this particular thing that you are watching, and then let's get to discuss and then use these strategies to grow together, make the bucks at the end of the day. All right, so let's go straight into the video. Okay, so this thing that I'm about to share with you, you can do it using the YouTube Studio app. The same way you can also log on to the YouTube Studio using your favorite browser, be it Google Chrome, Edge, or Internet Explorer, or whatever. It can be done on a PC as well as on your mobile phone. All right, so let's head straight into using our YouTube Studio app to, turn this particular setting off, just so we can save our sanity and our channel. So you open your YouTube Studio app, scroll to that particular video you wish to edit or you wish to turn off that setting on. Select that video, and then you see that pencil icon that is used to edit, the video. Yes, tap on that one. Scroll down to the tags and you see that, yes, tap on it, and then you scroll down to the very bottom. Now you see that there is this checkbox there. Besides it, it is written allow embedding. Yes. If you uncheck that particular box, that is going to save your channel. That is going to save your video. Once you uncheck it, anywhere on the internet where that particular link to the video has been shared will be rendered invalid. It will not be clickable. So no one on the surface of this earth or on the internet can use that particular link they copied to get to your channel, because you have rendered the video link invalid. So anywhere on the internet, it will not be clickable, and that will save your channel monetization. It will save you from having to go through the stress of building another channel. You understand? All right, so I hope this one helps you. Share it with other creators so that they get and stay informed, just to protect their monetization, just to protect their channels, and above all, protect their sanity. Because when you lose the monetization, the kind of emotions, mental stress, and things you go through, only those who have experienced it can share with you their pain. And I am one of them. So believe what I'm telling you. I will see you in my next video. Bye for now.